Welcome back to Pro Hack. This video is different from another video, so don't skip the video. This panel is 28 inch. This is the Ticon board of this panel. All voltage signal on the Ticon board are okay. COF IC is 8656-F. Here is the datasheet of COF IC. There are two COF IC here. I removed the copper insulated wire of the signal point on the COF IC. All the signals of the first IC are okay. Now remove second COF IC copper insulated wire. Compare all signal COF to COF. As a result, the second COF IC OE signal is missing. It is relay coil copper insulated wire. And now connect COF to COF OE signal. I protect the copper wire with tape. Operation success. Stay with us to get informative video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.